Hi guys, my name is Kimberly Oliva. I am an artist with Seint Beauty, and today I'm going to show you how to hack, highlight, and contour. These are my highlight colors, this is my contour color, and my lip and cheek colors. Everything for your full face in one compact. I'm going to start with my detail brush. I'm going to start with my smaller end of the detail brush. I'm going to first apply my contour. The contour color I am using is Astoria. This will go right under your cheekbones. Start by the back of your ear and don't go in any further than the outer corner of your eye. Then you're going to apply to the top of your forehead, right around your hairline. This is to give the appearance of a smaller forehead. Then you are going to apply it right under your chin, right around your jawline. This is to give the appearance of a slimmer face. Already my face has depth and dimension. Think of the number 3 when contouring if you get confused. Next, I'm going to go in with my main highlight color. This is Amber. I'm going to start with the smaller end of my blush and bronzer brush. You only need a little bit. You're going to apply this to any darker or red areas of your face, usually your cheeks, your nose, your chin, maybe a little on your forehead. This is to help even out your skin tone. You want to lightly press. Press and buff into the skin. This is a cream makeup, so it will warm up to the temperature of your skin and help melt into your skin. Next, I'm going to start with my second highlight color. This is White Peach. I'm going to apply this to my jawline, a little bit on my chin, and my forehead. This is to help tie everything together. It does not have to go on perfect. Then I'm going to take the same end and just start blending. You want to blend where the light meets the dark. Your contour, you're going to blend right back into your hairline. Do you see how the cream just blends so smoothly? Your contour, you're going to press and buff, press and buff up, press, and make sure you're blending back by your ear. Press and blend up. You don't want to blend down because you want to lift your cheekbones, not drag them down. Then you're going to blend the rest of your highlight right around your chin. Just lightly press and buff into the skin. Next, I am actually going to take a third step in highlighting. I'm going to go with an extra brightener. This is Linen. I'm going to apply this just to the inner corner of my eye, a little on my forehead, my nose, my chin, and my Cupid's bow. You want to keep the center of your face bright. This will make you look more awake and just give light to the center of your face. Just press and lightly blend. You don't want to move the other colors that you had just placed. These creams blend so well together. Then you're going to start with your lip and cheek color. You just need to start with a little bit on your brush. You can always add more. Apply to the apples of your cheek. And you want to blend back right above your contour. This will give your cheeks some color. You can also layer your lip and cheek colors. It's fun to create new colors. Now, if you want to warm up the skin a little bit, you can add some bronzer. Bella bronzer. You want to take the fluffier end of your blush and bronzer brush and apply just where the sun would hit the top of your forehead, and you just want to blend right over your contour, a little bit over your blush if you want to, maybe on your nose, anywhere the sun would hit. Once you have that, you can start blending, and you can even blend all over to tie everything in. I also like to blend the contour that's underneath my jawline with my bronzer. And I drag it right down my neck. Just blend and bring it down. And there you go. You're done. That quick. If you are interested in the makeup that I'm using, you can fill out my color match form that's linked in the description box of this video, and I'd be happy to get you started today.